Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a price action analysis on volatility 100 index. Alright, and I'll be doing a top down analysis right from the 4 hours down to the 15 or the 5-minute time frame. Make sure you watch this video to the very end. Make sure not to skip any part of this video because there are vital information I'll be sharing that you don't want to miss. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the daily time frame. Alright, so you can see that the market is heading down. The market is heading towards the down direction right now. Alright, so I'll be looking for sell opportunity. Alright, if you are a trend follower, then you want to be selling or buying towards the direction of the trend. Okay, so I'll be stepping down to the 1 hour time frame. Alright, so this analysis is going to be based on just support and resistance. Alright, so that you can understand what I'm saying more easier. So as you can see, I can spot a resistance here. Alright, so there is a supply zone here, right, and there is also a support here, a demand zone, right. So as you can see, market is heading towards this direction right now. So I'll be stepping down to the 30-minute time frame. Now here on the 30-minute time frame, there is a mini support and resistance zone. Within this zone here, I will be marking it out. So you can see there is a support here, right, the price has previously broken below, right, and there is also a support here, but these are mini support and resistance zone. They are not too strong, right, but we need them for better confirmation trade, right. So you can see all indication shows that market is going towards the downward direction here, right. So we step down to the 50-minute time frame. All right, so if I like, I can put my trend line here, but this is just strictly on support and resistance, right. So now we are going to step down to the 5-minute time frame, right. So this is how I will be going about this, right. So there are two resistance area we want to be taking our sales from, right. So we have one here which is based on the 5-minute time frame, right, and then we have another one here again. So you can see that you can trade using any time frame you want. All right, so you can sell based on the 5-minute time frame here, based on this resistance here, right. You can decide to take a sell from here, or you can decide to wait for price to get to this area here, then you take your sell, right. So whichever area you want. All right, so if you're a scalper, this is the kind of opportunity you want to be taking advantage of. All right, you take your sell, then you hold to this area here, or you hold to our major area of support here, right. So this is how I am looking at this trade. So all indication points that price is going down, so you can take advantage of this, take a quick sell from this area or this area to the downward direction. All right, so this is what I'm seeing here. Price could get to this area, right, and then reverse towards the downside here, right. So there is this, you can take hold of this opportunity here, right. Take this sell to do towards the downside because of what you have observed from the higher time frame. You can see that market it's heading towards the downside, right. So this is the first option. You see that price get to this area, or it could get rejected from this area, right. So these are the two resistance area the price could reverse to, then you sell from this area, or if your equity is good enough, you can still sell from this area, right, because there is a resistance here. There is a resistance here also, so you can still sell from here, right. So this thing is based on your risk management. All right, so if you can manage your risk management, then you are good to go with trading. So this is the quick analysis I have for you guys in today's video, right. So make sure you. So make sure you subscribe if you have not yet done that, right? So if you're a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy or an educational video like this, you get notified immediately. And for those of you who have not yet come for the powerful boom and crash strategy, right? This strategy I'm talking about is a powerful strategy strictly designed for trading boom and crash, and with it you can grow your small account. Okay, you can grow your small account with this strategy I'm talking about. So if you're interested, you check the description of this video, you are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get this strategy. Okay, so that's that about that. And for those of you who have not yet joined the Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. Make sure to join so that you get free signals on daily basis. All right, so I think I'll be ending the video here now. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.